How to fix the version does not support this version of the file format, error 0xC03A0005 when performing a Windows backup to NAS device. To fix the version does not support this version of the file format, error 0xC03A0005, try 1. Log into your SMB using SSH. Use strict allocate option in the smb.conf file to locate your configuration file at /etc/samba/smb.conf. Via 6 editor. Note, if the option is missing, add strict allocate equals yes. For more info read, see https://www.samba.org/samba/docs/current/man/html/smb.conf5.html smb.conf. 3. See if your VHD file is a sparse item. To do that, you need to manually mount that file using Disk Management tool.